She wanna see how I do my dance. She wanna see how I act with friends. She wanna see the town in France. So she said we, but I don't speak French. She wanna see things.
You're with for what?
They're making a trash video right now. These guys suck.
My bad. Yeah, we're here.
Just so happened to stumble upon the boys. We're getting out of church. Me and Dee are about to go get something. Then we saw the boys drive by. And we followed them to Applebee's. Isn't that right, Dayton?
Yeah. Wait, what's the something you were gonna get?
Wait, me?
Yes. What?
I don't know.
Hey. You smell like dog, bro. You smell like dog, bro. Hey.
You having fun, Eli?
Hey. No. Hey. Stank out here, bro. Hey. Hey. No. Hey. Trouble's a boy. What doing? Why are you barking? Don't like him. Yeah, that's what I thought, boy. Let's go.
Hello, Mr. Pooks. Hello, Mr. Pooks.
Retards.
Aiden!
Belong in wheelchair.
Oh, did you know that's what it means? Like the B word actually
Yes,
means
Deegan.
female dog.
Yeah, I know that, Deegan.
Okay,
That's kind of common knowledge. If you're above the age of 12.
Oh, well, yeah, nowadays.
Who invited this kid, bro? I'm seeing a scary movie right now.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. Why is she still there?
So guys, boy Trey Dizzy. Today we're gonna go
videoing with his phone?
Yeah.
Bro.
We're watching Donnie Roy's, my brother's video right now. As we're at our youth pastor's house for our Bible study. Aiden's enjoying it.
No, I'm not.
Aiden likes the video. Oh, we are all vlogging. Me and Tayshawn are collabing right now. Is that right, Tayshawn?
Yep.
They even have YouTube. They even have YouTube channel.
Hey, what's your channel?
Connor and Aiden. Link in bio. Alright?
Link in bio.
Just put the link in the bio, guys.
Please subscribe. Let him
Stop.
make him 1,000 this month subscribers.
Yo, guys. Hey, guys. Overtime.
Talk to me when you hit 1K.
No one's gonna get that joke. Only my elder brother will get that. Anyway, I hope you like that joke.
Everyone from Twitch, please go support this dude, Connor and Aiden on YouTube.
We're not.
See,
I'm not on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. I mean, I'm not on Twitch. I'm on YouTube.
No, Connor and Aiden on YouTube. Go support them.
Yeah, YouTube. Hey, Tayshawn, look. Do you know that spot over there? Do you know the spot we're about to come up on? Tayshawn, does this area look familiar? Does this area look familiar where we're at right now?
Yo, we made our very first class video in there.
That's right.
And you know, we aced it.
Yeah. I wrote it down. I wrote, directed, and did the camera work. Wait, no.
Brayden.
Brayden recorded that one part, and then he was laughing in it.
Oh, yeah.
We need to restart like a couple times. Connor, go. Show that clip really quick.
Show that clip.
Go.
We want our dessert wages.
We need money to feed our family.
You don't have a family, idiot.
All right. Wait, why are we doing this?
To get higher wages, 8 to 4 work days, and recognition of unions. How are you on strike when you don't even know it?
Why do we need higher wages?
Because they want to cut our wages, and if they do that, we won't be able to provide for our families.
All right.
Do you even know work in the steel industry?
For what?
Baseball.
There are more than 350,000 on strike and over 365,000 off the job. All in this American Federation of Labor organized a strike. What should we do?
Give them what they want and get the popo to stop those riots.
But sir, that would cost a lot of money.
Oh well.
Wow, sir, you're so knowledgeable.
Yeah, I know. Now go get me my apple juice.
Yes, sir.
Good memories, right, Tayshawn?
You know,
good memories. Right, it's crazy right now. Everyone's here. You gotta find Aiden.
The whole place out here, bro.
That's what I'm saying. We found Joseph, and he's in he has a cart.
That's my bag.
Oh, look at those wheels. Wow.
Dude, he drove me all the way to my second hour class.
I don't consent.
That doesn't matter. There's no laws. There's no laws. Dude.
Good job, you dropped it on Carson.
You know, guys, let's chill out, alright? Let's not start a fight.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
This guy, am I right? Yeah. Hey, it's Noah.
Hey, what's up?
Alright. Yo, what is up, vlog squad? Right now, recording for Aiden's video right now. And I'm recording right now. While we're recording Aiden's video. There's Joseph. He's taking us home. There's Aiden. Hey, Aiden. Guys, this is gonna be a sneak peek into Aiden's video. He's not very happy right now.
Let's get this over with, okay?
Sorry, guys. I'll talk to you later. Well, looks like we're going home. I actually have no idea what we're doing. Oh no! My shoe! Jeez Louise!
Pop in, babies.
Whoa! Joseph. Let's calm down now.
I got powder sugar.
Car! Just kidding. Oh my gosh. This kid's an idiot, guys. Seatbelt's buckled.
Oh!
No, don't do that, Joseph.
Do it.
No, we're not.
You're recording.
No, Joseph, I don't want to go. Joseph, you don't know if there's gonna be cars coming, Joseph. Joseph, you don't know if there's gonna be cars. You wussied out.
I did. You wanna go back around?
No! Subscribe button.
Kid right there. That was fun. There's a kid right there, bro.
I didn't like that very much.
Should we go back around?
No!
Fine. Only because there was a kid. I got kind of scared there.
Joseph! Whoa, let's go inside.
I see.
Yes.
There's a window.
No, the door's open.
Is that it?
Yeah. Let's just do a little pit stop really quick. All right, guys. So, as professional urban explorers like us, you always gotta look around, make sure there's no cops or no snitches around, because me and Joseph, we have experience of getting the cops called on us. Whoa. Here. It was crazy.
This time, guys, I'm actually carrying it. So.
Aiden wasn't here.
No, but I'm carrying a firearm.
All right, guys. The door's open, the window's open. Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Guys, I don't think we should do this.
Aiden, shut up. All right, guys. No snitches in sight. But just to be safe.
Your hand.
I've always wanted to be. Wait. It's so dark. There we go.
Into the unknown. It's so small.
Oh my gosh, it's a rocket ship! Someone drew a rocket ship on that wall. It is? See?
This is a basement? I'm not going down there.
Maybe one day.
It's terrifying.
Oh, yeah. Oh, not stopping that because what's up? See, here's the thing. This place is not really confettied a lot. So that's not a lot of people have been in here. Yeah, it's confetti, but there's not a lot of it. Let's Jesus save you. Oh, man, some illiterate alert. Hero. Guys, what's down there? Well, make sure to hit that hit that like button and tell us if there's someone down there.
I think I did.
Look at that.
Wait, guys, look.
God rules, but upside down.
I'm gonna throw my cookie over there. Kobe. Frack.
Man.
No, wait. I got another one. Right? Give him back to the homeless. Wait, did you take that from Mike? No. Hear that? Yours is red.
Just kidding. Can you just throw it in there? Okay.
You're welcome.
Let's
Feed him
go.
all the tweakers.
Oh my gosh. Joseph. What?
Not funny, dude.
Let's see what's in here.
Feeding the homeless. Thank you, bro.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Well, that was a nice. Oh, there's cuss words in here. Oh my gosh, there's cuss words in here. I have to leave.
That one just says F-O-C-K. Folk.
Alright, well guys, that was enough of urban exploring for today. Alright guys, tell us if there's anyone cops out there. There isn't? Okay guys, it's safe. Wait, there's a car coming. Guys, we should hit that like and subscribe button if there's no one coming. Alright, we're good. To the car! Guys, thanks for watching our urban exploring this. Whoa! Joseph really thinks he's that guy.
I am.
This is gonna be the meat and taters of the video.
What?
This right now is the meat and taters of the video.
The meat and taters?
Yep. I mean, this is the. I don't know.
Bro, I'm just saying, it's summertime now, and why are you still recording?
Because I want to.
It's not summertime. I mean,
Oh, there's a cop over there.
no.
He was just chilling.
I gotta open the door for some air.
Yeah, it is
That's
hot.
what it is. Can you just ask me to roll the window now?
Oh, I think he was tooting actually.
God, that's why. That's it.
Donovan, once we walk out that door, we're gonna be seniors.
And guess what,
Here
baby?
we go.
We about to have 2.5 months of the greatest time of our lives.
We did it! We're seniors!
Ay,
The beginning of the end.
feeling too cold, Ice Cube. I'm on a roll, Dice Cube. 10 deep when I roll, I'd invite you. But the click's full, they gon' slide through. The neck is on froze, Cuban link. Shawty look good, gave her a wink. Said I wouldn't last, gave me a week. That made me laugh, had me weak. Ha ha ha, she a freak. Oh ta-da, look at me. Creme de la creme, that's me. Best of the best, c'est la vie.